Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone battery setting, and today friends I am going to show guys how to enable ultra battery saving mode on Tecno mobile and how to use it. Friends, you want to use your ultra battery saver mode on your Tecno mobile. So how to enable and how to use it one by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Tecno mobile. Friends, click on Tecno mobile battery lab setting. Friends, you can see ultra power saving. Click here. Friends, you want to enable, so guys click here, give permission, I agree, and guys wait for 5 seconds, skip it. And ultra power saving guys you can enable from here. Friends, you can see before enable only calls, SMS and calendar are available. After enable ultra battery saver friends, you can see after enable we cannot use any setting on device except phone calls, SMS and calendar we can use, and except we cannot use. So friends, you want to check calendar, you can on calendar app. You want to check your messages, so you can check your phone messages from here. Friends, you want to call, you want to use call settings, so you can use only call setting. Friends, you can check ultra power saving mode is enabled. So when you will unlock your phone, you can see this type interface on your device. And once you don't want to use your ultra battery saver mode settings, so once you can see right side quit option, click here. Are you sure to quit your ultra power saving mode setting? Yes, I want to quit. After quit means after disable ultra power saving mode setting, friends again you want to use, so you will have to give permission from here enable option. After enable again you can use it. And friends, you can see battery setting. If you click here friends, you can see battery uses. Friends, we can check our Tecno mobile battery uses from here. Friends, you can see battery percentage. Friends, you want to show battery percentage, you can show and you can off your battery percentage on your Tecno mobile. Friends, you can see low battery shutdown warning. So guys, you want to use your low battery shutdown warning, so you can on and you can use it. So when you have low battery on a device, so friends you will get low battery shutdown warning, then friends you can charge your phone. Advanced setting friends, if you click you can on battery saver mode from here and you can off from here. So like that friends, we can use phone battery setting. Ultra power saving mode friends we can enable. And once you want to use your battery setting, battery percentage, battery low notification, you can on from here. Battery saver you want to on, so you can on battery saver, you can off from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.